What's up guys, welcome back to another video. The PS5 scene is lit guys. There's a lot of news going on. I'm pretty sure most of you guys already know that the PS5 has been completely hacked. If you're looking at this particular screen right now guys, if you look over here, there is debug settings and this is now on the PS5 as well. This was shared by Andy Nguyen, also called as The Flow. However, he did mention that there's no plans for disclosure, no ETA. So there was basically no idea that he's going to go and release it to the public. Shortly after that guys, Failoverflow is a group of hackers who have went ahead and showed another proof way ahead than what we can expect. This is the encryption and decryption keys for the PS5 firmware, and guys, this is a big deal. In order to go and get this, you need to have something big. You need to have the kernel exploit and a whole lot of access to go and get this encryption and decryption keys. And in fact, they did mention this was from software. So that means it could be a possibility that Sony can fix this, or maybe it could be something completely different, because we did not expect the PS5 to be hacked this quick guys, especially when the PS4 scene was lit. We were looking at a 9.00 WebKit exploit, and we were waiting for a kernel exploit for the 8.xx or for the 9.00 firmware. And this was a sudden news when we saw The Flow drop this particular screenshot, and now guys, we have this news right now. So guys, talking about this particular PS5 hack that is completely hacked right now, but I'm not really sure if this is something that Sony can patch with the firmware. It could be a yes, they could release a new firmware and patch it up, or could be a no, because it could be something related to this particular news that I've covered a long time back, where the fault injection attack on AMD CPUs could be a super relevant for a PS5 hack. Now this could be relevant because they might be using the AMD chip, and this particular fault injection attack, that could be one of the reasons how this hack could have come to be, but we can't really be too sure. But that's just speculation because we don't know exactly how the hack has come to be. We don't know as for The Flow, not sure if he's going to be disclosing this to Sony, but as of right now, he stands in a very clear position saying no plans for disclosure and no ETA either. So we don't have any idea about this. As for Failoverflow and their particular findings, I'm not sure if this could be the same as what The Flow has found. But guys, as for Failoverflow, but it looks like they have not disclosed if they want to go ahead and release it to the public, or if they're not going to release it to the public, or if they're waiting on Sony to fix this before they can release it to the public. Right now, we don't have a clear stance on the Failoverflow's part. However guys, this is on the latest firmware of the PS5. So if you do want a jailbreak for the PS5, if you're already one of those lucky people who already have one, luckily I've been able to get my hands on two PS5s right now, one for the official use, one for a jailbreak. And I'm going to keep the other one on the firmware that it's shipped in, and I'm going to wait to see how things turn out, because once a PS5 jailbreak drops, guys, I'll be making a video right immediately when it drops. And this is pretty exciting news even for me. I'm pretty excited to see something happen in the PS5 scene as well, because we have a lot of news happening around and I'd like to go and cover all of that. So guys, if you're looking at the PS5 firmware systems over here, they have a very weird way of actually naming these firmware updates, but it actually goes with the year 2020, 2021. However, this particular hack was on the latest firmware, which is 04.03. So if you want to stay safe on the safer side, because we still don't know if it's a software fix or a hardware fix, but we do know that this particular hack is software related, so we could be patched. Sony could do something about it, or maybe it could be something that is using the present hardware of the PS5's AMD chip. So we don't really know exactly how the hack is done. So guys, if you want to be safe and want to play safe, I would suggest you to stick on 4.03 and not update any further until there's further news regarding this particular hack. For anyone who's looking for more information regarding this, I will drop this link in the description, so you'll be able to go ahead and read exactly what these keys are and how they're actually helpful, and more details about this particular hack. You guys can go read this out, and I will leave this in the description guys, so you guys can go check it out. So guys, that's about it for this particular video. I'm pretty excited about this news, and I was so excited I wanted to share it with you guys, but I was a little late because I was traveling, and I'm still traveling. I don't really have my mic or my computer. I just had to improvise and make this video for you guys. But I will be back in a day or two and I'll be covering all the news I've missed out and further tutorials that I was talking about. And there's a lot to do, guys. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and drop a subscribe. Drop a comment if you have a PS5, which firmware you're on, if you're waiting on to go ahead and get a PS5 jailbreak, if you're excited about it. And I hope you guys are having a great week. Have a great weekend ahead. Happy gaming. And now we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.